This is Amazing Top 5s, and today we're visiting the top 5 strangest exoplanets in the galaxy. Welcome to the vast universe, a place of infinite mysteries and wonders. Today, we're reaching out to the stars, exploring the top 5 strangest exoplanets in our galaxy. So, buckle up and let's embark on a journey that's truly out of this world. Our first stop is HD 189733b, a gas giant 63 light-years away from Earth. What makes it strange? It rains glass, sideways. Yes, you heard right. This planet has winds reaching 7,000 kilometers per hour, turning the silica in the atmosphere into a terrifying glass rainstorm. Next is 55 Cancri e, a planet twice the size of Earth. This diamond planet has a carbon-rich structure, and with the right heat and pressure, it's estimated that a third of this planet could be pure diamond. Imagine a world where the ground beneath your feet is worth quintillions of dollars. Now, meet Gliese 436b, a Neptune-sized planet that defies the laws of physics. Despite its close proximity to its star, it's covered in burning ice, a result of its unique water compound and strong gravitational pull. It's a paradoxical world of fire and ice. Our fourth strange exoplanet is WASP-12b. This gas giant is slowly being devoured by its parent star. The tidal forces are so strong that the planet's shape is more like an egg than a sphere. This doomed world is a testament to the destructive power of the universe. Lastly, we have TRACE-2b, the darkest known planet in the universe. This gas giant reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it blacker than coal. It's a planet that absorbs light rather than reflects it, a truly eerie sight in the cosmos. So, there you have it, the top 5 strangest exoplanets in our galaxy. Each one, a testament to the incredible diversity and mystery of our universe. From glass rainstorms to diamond terrains, burning ice to planet-eating stars and light-absorbing spheres, the cosmos never ceases to amaze. Remember, these are just a fraction of the exoplanets we've discovered. As our technology advances, who knows what other celestial oddities we'll uncover? The universe is a vast, strange place, full of wonders waiting to be discovered. As we sign off this cosmic journey, we leave you with a thought. These exoplanets, as strange as they are, serve as a reminder of the marvels of the universe and our enduring quest to unravel its mysteries. Here's to the explorers, the astronomers, and the curious minds. May we never stop reaching for the stars. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your hearts in the stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe.